Today I'm headed to Mexico City. We are going to be attending the Tecno Multimedia Conference, which is kind of like the Infocomm down in the Latin America region. So first time on an Aero-Mexico flight. Mexico City, here I come. Just landed in Mexico City. Giant pots.
This is the Chapultepec Park.
Okay.
You got the Anthropology Museum just walking from here 10 minutes.
That's
Okay,
nice.
we have 6 different restaurants.
Alright. Ah, that's a nice view. So I think it's time for a little room tour. And when you flip it, this mirror has a remote control. Figured I'm going to take a little bit of a walk around since I didn't have much time to do walking earlier while I was on a plane. So this looks like a shopping street over here. So the main city, the abbreviation is just CDMX. I'd say that I'm definitely in the fancy part of town. Okay, so I'd probably say that this is the main street. Now, I saw a guy who was actually what was he doing? I think he was cleaning up shoes or something. And I was like, oh, that might be a good, useful thing to have. Like, the restaurants here are really top-notch, at least on the outside. Volvo, Sweden represent. Pounds. This is the place that you go to say yes to the dress. Certainly, I imagine this isn't representative of what the majority of the city looks like. I have never had my shoes polished professionally before, so I'm doing it for the first time. Gracias. Come nuevo. I think when I bought them, they didn't look this new. So I use the shoes a lot when I go to conferences. Never really have time to take care of them. The Tecno Multimedia Conference. It's a big AV conference, probably one of the biggest in this region. So it's not just folks from Mexico, but from other Latin American countries as well. I'm hoping, if time permits, I've tried to make some arrangements with some of my HCI researcher friends from Mexico, but it's beautiful here. Look at this giant lake. Wow. It's so cool that they have a Martin Luther King Jr. kind of monument here. Today I was going to try to walk over to the park area and see if I can take a few drone shots. Check this out. Every single one of these is beads. It's amazing. It's like a work of art. Okay, I think I found the other location. I'm heading towards a little river near the zoo. Oh, there's a little Korean pagoda across here. And it is crazy misty today. Definitely looks like a lot of rain. Okay, so it wasn't the best day to do recording, but it was really cloudy and misty, which was actually kind of cool. So I think behind me is the Anthropological Museum. Just meeting up with Attila. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Okay so far. I'm in a very protected area of Mexico. Finished our lunch, we've got our pretty much our strategy.
Excellent, good food.
Yeah, exactly. It's gonna be awesome. Are these pork rinds? Me too. Not easy to get to. So cool. Any kind of food that you would want, you know, it's all there. So much market where we can find churros. Ooh, I can get new hats.
Airport Pride, quite close to us.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified when new videos come out, click the bell.